Are you still saying, I will go, every time you talk about the future?
What if I told you? Sometimes that sounds unnatural. Today, I'm going to show you how to sound more natural using going to. And at the end, you'll be able to talk about your own plans clearly. Many students know will, but they don't know when to use going to. So when they talk about plans, it sounds wrong or confusing. And this becomes a problem, especially when you talk about celebrations. Let's look at a real situation. Imagine this.
Rangoli and diyas. Doesn't the house look beautiful tonight? Happy Diwali!
Ronnie is very excited. She is going to celebrate a special day with her family. She is going to cook traditional food.
Happy Diwali, Grandma, Grandpa. I missed you both. Happy Diwali, my dear. It is so good to see you. Come in, come in.
She is going to visit her grandparents. She is going to prepare everything tonight. What is she going to do? Let's understand this. We use to be plus going to talk about future plans. Plans that are already decided. She is going to drive. They are going to travel. Now, let's go back to Ronnie. What is she going to do tomorrow?
Happy Diwali. I missed you guys so much.
Happy Diwali! You look wonderful!
Let's light the sparklers.
She is going to meet her cousins. She is going to celebrate together. Now, how do we ask about plans? What are you going to do? When are you going to go? Where are you going to go? How are you going to go?
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm gonna just go to home, visit my family. Visit my family.
Where are you gonna go after this class?
I'm gonna go to the cafeteria.
When are you gonna go to the National Library?
I am going to go to the National Library this weekend.
Hello, I am Ronnie. This week, our family is going to celebrate Diwali, or the Festival of Lights. It celebrates the triumph of light over darkness, good over evil, and hope over despair. On the first day, we're going to clean our house and shop for gold or kitchen utensils to help bring good fortune. On the second day, we're going to hang lamps in our house and lit them each evening. My sister and I are also going to create patterns and designs on the ground made with colored sand known as rangoli on that day. Day 3 is the main day of the festival. We're going to gather for Lakshmi Puja, a prayer to Goddess Lakshmi, followed by mouth-watering feasts and firework festivities. Day 4 is the first day of the new lunar year. Friends and relatives are going to visit with gifts and best wishes for the season. Finally, we're going to visit our married sisters, who welcome them with love and a lavish meal.
Hello, I'm Rani. This week, our family is going to celebrate Diwali, or the Festival of Lights. It celebrates the triumph of light over darkness.
On the first day, we're going to clean our house and shop for gold or kitchen utensils to help bring good fortune. On the second day, we're going to hang lamps in our house and lit them each evening. My sister and I are also going to create patterns and designs on the ground made with colored sand known as rangoli on that day. Day 3 is the main day of the festival. We're going to gather for Lakshmi Puja, a prayer to Goddess Lakshmi. Happy New Year. We wish you happiness and prosperity. Thank you so much. What a lovely gift. Happy New Year. Welcome, welcome. We are so happy you are here. The meal looks absolutely incredible. Come sit, let's eat before it gets cold.
What is Ronnie going to do? What is she going to do? Who is Ronnie going to meet? Who is she going to meet? She is going to celebrate traditional festival named Diwali. She is going to meet friends and relatives.
Now it's your turn. Look at this situation.
What are they going to do? They are going to bake a cake.
Now think about your own life. What are you going to do this weekend?
Now you can talk about your future plans more naturally.
But many students still make one big mistake with going to. I'll show you in the next video.